lots of things to discuss when it comes to kitchen islands, and it's always a desirable product you can have in a kitchen. When you've got the space, it's definitely something I'd highly recommend. But what you've got to think about when you have a kitchen island is what you want it for. Because some people like to cook on the island, be in the centre of attention. Some people love to have their sink in the island and have the hob on the other side. Some people just love the island just to be a centrepiece to the room, so it's purely for storage only. But what you need to think about is, if you're going to have an island, is it going to have any seating around it? Because what you can do is you can extend out from the cupboardry and have a nice row of seats. Or what you can do, what I've got in the showroom here, is where you extend off the actual island itself, making it longer and having the seating away from the cooking or the washing area. Now with the extended islands, you can have a lower tables, you can have normal kitchen dining room table chairs, or you can have the kitchen stools if you have it raised as the same height as the island. So there's lots of things you need to think about with the islands. Is it going to be rectangles? Is it going to be curved? Is it going to be angled? Is the extractor fan going to come down from the ceiling as well? These are lots of things you need to take into consideration. Recently we're doing lots of L-shaped islands because we just got the space. There's lots of room to play with, and it is a real big centerpiece to a lovely desirable kitchen. So that's really what I want to talk about with islands today, and that's what we'll be discussing, the little details and the options that are available. So I've created loads of blogs, videos and articles, all designed to help you with your home improvement project. So go check them out, and I'll catch you next time.